Hello everyone, welcome back to Train. Did you know you can build your own video game in under a minute with Google Gemini? No coding, just typing. Watch this. Step 1. Open Google Gemini, click Canvas, and start a new project. Step 2. Type this. Between 1 and 20, make a number guessing game where the computer picks a number. Boom! Gemini instantly builds it. Step 3. Now you're playing. Guess numbers and it tells you too high, too low, or correct. If you want upgrades, just say add a score counter and restart button. So, what game should we build next? Drop your craziest idea in the comments and we might make it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Train for more AI hacks. See you next time.